Good morning guys, back again for another YouTube video. If you notice in my last video, there is a knocking sound during cold start of this engine. So today we are going to find out what causes the sound, whether the pickup tube is clogged or we have a worn out connecting rod bearing. I'm going to pull down the crankcase or the sump to see clearly what is going on inside the engine. So there you go guys, there's the pickup tube. I already pulled down the oil pan, and this is the pickup tube you're looking at. Seems clean, but I'm planning to remove it so I can have a better look. And also I want to remove this cover so I can see the condition of the connecting rod bearing, whether it is worn or not so good. So I'll get back to you later on. Stay tuned guys. Oh, there you go guys, I have checked the connecting rod bearing. There's no problem, there's no play, so meaning the connecting rod bearing is all good. But what I found though is, look at this. I don't know guys if you can see that, but there is a large play. If you can hear that sound, there is a large play in the connecting rod, a crankshaft I mean. I don't know guys if you can see that, but I hope you can hear sound of the, when I try to pry it like this. There is a sound, meaning there is an excessive play in the crankshaft. This is beyond specification. Normally crankshaft should have at least 0.004 to 0.005 mil. So this is going to be a lot of work. So just in case guys you experience this kind of noise when you start the engine and you hear a knocking sound, this could be the problem. A large play in the crankshaft. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you like the video, come and subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated in my future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.